I'll walk in the woods here with Mohawk Sniper 79. Just getting down to check for tracks. A few rabbit tracks. Looking for some deers. But I don't seem to see any down here this year. It's me hanging out in a new spot. Pretty nice area though. Brought my shotgun on the ride. My SKS. A lot of money, so I just picked up a cheapo vest there. That works. Holds shit, so I guess that's good. Has the Velcro straps on it though. I don't care for those. I'll be switching those out shortly. Yeah. There's not too much hanging around down here right now. Besides some rabbits. I'm gonna let those multiply a couple of years before I hunt those. A few years ago, some weirdos were down here and just wiped them right out. I'm glad to see they're coming back. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.